Welcome to 6575 Ewald Court in Frederick, Maryland. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson. Let's go take a tour of this amazing house. We got fresh paint, carpets were just cleaned, great space throughout, tons of natural light. Check out how much natural light this place has to offer. You've got a great first floor family room, great dining space. Let's look at that kitchen. You've got tons of counter space, great cabinets for storage, pantry, walks out to the deck, and a great space for a table. Now up on the bedroom level, you got three great rooms up here. Two on this side, hall bath for these two rooms, and the master right over here. Plenty of space for a king-size bed and furniture. You got two great closets, and this master bath is perfect. Now we're down in the basement level. Great sized rec room, gas fireplace, walks out to the backyard that's fenced in. You got laundry, another full bath, and access to the garage.